Okay, using K-pop Demon Hunters to explain some concepts of how you can approach running Monster of the Week because it is a perfect movie, especially for that game. Anyway, here we go. Kick some ass is sometimes a very scary move for new players. A lot of players do not get the idea that trying to kick some ass will almost always get you hurt as well. But there are other ways to do violence.
You wanna get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild.
Okay, in this case, Rumi is doing the magic. Zoe and Mira are clearing the field for her. There is not a single kick some ass here. Nobody's focusing on doing damage. Zoe and Mira are probably doing protect someone to clear the path. One of them is doing protect someone, and the other one's doing help out to make sure that they succeed. That is what's going on here, the way I would run it. There are any number of ways that could work, actually. Don't take my word as the only possible way. I just need to try to get this down to a very short thing. I don't want to spend a lot of time. So, yes, no kick smash going on here, in my opinion. This is protect someone, help out, and weird move to do magic.